What if every business leader treated AI as a loaf of bread? Picture yourself as the owner of a fast-growing bakery in a competitive city. You want to expand, but every loaf of bread has costs, recipes, skilled bakers, ovens, and ingredients. Now, imagine AI as your new growth engine. But just like bread, it needs inputs, software, skills, computational power, and data. Hi, I'm Professor Reza's AI avatar, and this is the first video of a 4-part series on the economics of AI. In this video, we'll focus on the costs of software, particularly how open source has dramatically reduced them, setting the stage for the other 3 cost factors we'll cover later, and what that means for startup or mid-sized companies like yours. Now that we've set up the bakery analogy and framed this as part of a larger series, let's move directly into the first ingredient, software, and see how its costs shape the economics of AI. In the early days of AI, software was a huge barrier. Programming a neural network from scratch was like inventing a gourmet bread recipe daily. You needed highly specialized chefs, PhDs in computer science, and math, which could cost a company hundreds of thousands of dollars per year in salary. A small or medium-sized business simply couldn't afford it. But then came open source. In 2015, Google released TensorFlow for free. Others followed with PyTorch, Keras, and Cafe. It's as if the world's top bakeries published their prized recipes online. Suddenly, businesses no longer had to hire a dozen PhDs to invent their own algorithms from scratch. They could download proven frameworks and build on top of them. Let's put numbers to it. Hiring a team of 5 to 10 PhD-level researchers to design machine learning algorithms from scratch might cost $1 to $2 million annually in salaries and overhead. Add to that 12 to 18 months of R&D before results appear. In contrast, adopting open-source frameworks allows a leaner team, say 2 to 3 data scientists with master's degrees, to achieve comparable results. That team might cost $300,000 to $500,000 per year and deliver prototypes in months, not years. We're talking about potential savings of 70 to 80% in direct costs, plus enormous time-to-market advantages. For small and mid-sized businesses, that shift is the difference between AI is out of reach and AI is an affordable growth tool. All that sounds great, but you may ask, why would Google share its recipes? From a business perspective, it seems strange. Why give away your crown jewels? Think of it this way. A famous bakery might share its bread recipe because it earns more from selling ovens, flour, or franchising. Similarly, companies like Google benefit from widespread adoption. It attracts talent, grows ecosystems, and helps them sell cloud services. The open source gift isn't charity, it's a strategic investment. For businesses, this democratization means AI is no longer the exclusive tool of tech giants. A startup with a handful of engineers can now compete with billion-dollar firms in specific niches. The economics of AI have shifted from scarcity and exclusivity to abundance and accessibility. The key takeaway: open source AI software slashed the cost of entry. Instead of million-dollar R&D budgets, companies can now deploy powerful AI with a fraction of the resources. This cost shift changes the economics of competition, leveling the playing field. The bakery analogy shows it well. Once only master chefs could bake world-class bread, but now everyone has the recipes. In the next video, we'll turn to the next ingredient in the economics of AI: the bakers themselves, the talent pool, and how skill availability is shaping who wins in this new AI economy.